Today's topic is find the rate. Then rate means find the percent. Then how to find the percent? It is part by whole. What is the part in this one is 24 and what is the whole is 125. In this example, all together our baseball player is 125 and find the percent is for 24 were also batting champions. Then what percent of 125 player were also a batting champion? That means find the percent or find the rate of the batting champions. The batting champion is 24. Then 24 out of 125. In this one, it is just take the estimated value. 24 is estimated become a 25. That means 25 out of 125. Answer in the fraction is 1 by 5 because you can divide by 25 and 25 1 by 5 and convert into the percent. It is 20%. Finding the rate, two methods are given. One is formula method, other is proportion method. Now first you learn the formula. R into B is equal to P. This formula you learn in the last lesson also. R is the rate, B is the base and P is the percentage. Then now percentage and base is given and so find the R. Then R is equal to P by B. The same question is how many are there? 24 betting champion and out of 125 then is equal to find the rate or percent. The same way here you can see in decimal using long division method. 24 divided by 125, then you can see 125 is bigger than 24. Put the decimal and 0 and then what is the answer is in decimal 0.192 and in percent because you multiplied by 100, shift this decimal to right 1 and 2, then 19.2%. What is the rate or what is the percent? It is 19.2%. The same question with different method. It is called a proportion method. In this one, part and whole, then it is given 24 out of 125. And what is the part here? N by 100. Then cross multiply 24 multiplied by 100 and 125 multiplied by n. Then you can see what is your aim? Find n. Then divide both this side. 125. What is the answer? N is equal to again 19.2%. I think it is clear for you. In this one you can see one more example. Here you can see what percent of 8 is 20. That means you can see what percent. This is your whole. What percent of after the of is always the whole is 20. Then 20 by 8 is your rate, because this is your part and this is your whole. What is the answer? R is equal to 2.5, and in percent multiplied by 100, or from decimal to percent, shift the decimal point to write 1 and one more 0. 250%. You remember this one, always remember this. If the part is greater than the whole, the percentage is more than 100. Okay, in this one also the percent is greater than 100 because the part is greater than the whole. Okay, then you can see, find the percent or rate in the questions. Question number 1, 4 and 10. Then in this one, what percent of 5 is 3? Then in this one, what is the whole? Is 5. And what is the part? Is 3. Then in this one, 3 over 5. Here you can check again. What is the whole? 900. And what is the part? 243. Then 243 over 900. Again in this one, what is the whole? 10. And what is the part? That means 80. In this one again you can see, in this one, this is your whole is less than a part. Then this answer is more than 100%. Then you can see in this one, three by 5 is equal to 0.6. Then you can see it is 60%. And again 240 over 9 is 0.27. 0.27 means it will 27. And 80 by 10 is 8. And again multiplied by 100, because it is in the percentage just multiplied by 100. It is 800. Here you can see 0.27 multiplied, shift the decimal point 1 and 2, it's 20. Here is 0.6, then it move 6 and 1 0, 60%. I think it is clear for you. Find the percent or rate. That means a continuous question. Now question number 11 and 14 and question number 16 and 18. Okay, then you can see in this one, 4.4 is what percent of 80? That means this is your whole and this is your part. Then how to write? 4.4 divided by 80. 4.4 by 80. In this one again, 30 is a percent of 8. That means 8 is your whole. Then 30 out of 8. In this one again, 5 is what percent of 40? Then 5 by 40. In this one, same, 20 by 25. Then you can see here in this one, 44 by 80 is equal to 0.055. That means 5.5%. 3.75, that means 37.5%. 5 by 40 is equal to this 0.12 and move the decimal point 20 and 12.5. Then again 20 by 25 is 0.8 and it will be 80%. This is your last question. Question number 26. And this one, what is the total population of the student is 240. That means this is your whole. And grade 5 is 60, grade 6 48, and grade 7 is 60, and grade 8 is 72. Then in this one, what is the whole? 240. What is the part? Is this 60? That means 60 over 240. Then you can see 60 over 240 is 0.25, and in the percentage is 25. And in this one, 48 over 240 is 0.2. It is 20%. And the grade 7 is 60 over 240 is 0.25. It is 25%. And 72 over 240 is 0.3. It is 30%. Then in this one, you can find all the percentage of grade 5, 6, 7 and 8.